Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off the camera sound on iPhone 11. First of all, we don't have any available settings to turn off that sound. But now I will show you one step really easy for you to do. As you can see on the left side of your phone, there are three buttons to adjust the volume and adjust the sound. The number 2 and 3 is for volume adjusting, and the number 1 is for muting your phone. You just have to switch it off. As you can see the red color on that button, it means that you have muted your phone. But if your button is broken or you cannot use it, you can go to Setting, then go to the Accessibility option, then go to Touch and open Assistive Touch. Now you will turn it on. Then you will have that circle thing on your phone and you can open it. Then choose the device option and mute your phone. This is how you turn off the sound on your camera on iPhone 11. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.